Which of the following, according to requirement engineering, refers to business representatives' agreement that requirements are accurate and complete? A. Requirements analysis. B. Requirements validation. C. Requirements elicitation. D. Requirements management. A linear regression's usual formula is y equals beta 0 plus beta 1x plus error. Which phrase best encapsulates the presumptions made about the mistakes? A. The errors are independent, normally distributed with constant mean and zero variance. B. The errors are correlated, normally distributed with zero mean and constant variance. C. The errors are independent, normally distributed with zero mean and constant variance. Which element of the business case should include information about how a plan would affect interdepartmental relations? A. Impact assessment. B. Options considered. C. Cost-benefit analysis. D. Risk assessment. The link between a binary response and an ordinal predictor variable, risk size. The analyst decides on large as the reference level using reference cell coding. What is a person with a large risk size's estimated logit? A. 0.5663. B. 0.0819. C. -3.7727. D. -1.0415. Which diagram is typically used in the preliminary phases of analysis to describe the relevant components? A. Sequence. B. Use case. C. Activity. D. All the above. Regression models that don't include duplicated input variables can: A. Improve parameter estimate stability and raise overfitting's danger. B. Make parameter estimations less stable and make overfitting more likely. C. Enhance parameter estimate stability and cut down on overfitting danger. Which of the following does not provide an effective test of decision-making? A. It is possible to effectively estimate how uncertainty and fresh information may affect decisions. B. The decision analysis process participants have the right amount of confidence. C. Stakeholders concur that analytical models accurately and fully describe the domain. Which of the following topics does not appear on a normal business analyst aptitude test? A. Listening skills. B. Analytical thinking. C. Risk management. D. Data interpretation. A logistic regression model's input variable, region, is investigated by an analyst. The analyst finds that when region equals A, the likelihood of purchasing a specific item is 1. What issue does this highlight? A. Problems that arise due to missing values. B. Quasi-complete separation. C. Collinearity. D. Influential observations. As a business analyst, what type of communication do you need? A. Written. B. Verbal. C. Verbal and written. In the logistic process, which of the following best defines a concordant pair of observations? A. In comparison to an observation without the event, an observation with the event has a lower anticipated probability. B. There is an equal chance that one observation will be associated with the occurrence as another. C. The anticipated probability for an observation with and without the occurrence is the same. An asbestos abatement project should be managed and overseen by the following parties for responsibility and liability reasons. A. The property manager. B. An independent consulting firm. C. A local health official. D. The building manager. The BA can decide when information connected with an entity may impact the validity of information values and the organizational priorities by using the following modeling concept, which was utilized to develop a set of views of requirements. A. Events. B. Relationships. C. Processes. Which interpretation of the estimate is accurate? A. For every $1,000 increase in salary, the likelihood of the incident increases by 1.128. B. For every dollar of pay rise, the likelihood of the incident increases by 1.142. C. For every $1,000 increase in wage, the likelihood of the incident increases by 1.142. D. For every dollar of pay rise, the incident increases by 1.142. Which of the following BA jobs should the BA look for ways to enhance the bus's performance? A. Specify and model recs. B. Validate SOLN. C. Org recs. D. Confirm elicitation results. What should the BA look for in stakeholders to identify individuals who might have an impact on the project's deliverables? Select the most appropriate response. A. A description of the methodology that will be used to deliver the new set of capabilities. B. A description of the approach that will be taken to implement a new set of capabilities. C. The mission statement of the business area and its organizational charts. Which statistic from a validation sample can be used to choose the model to employ for a binary target variables prediction? A. Average squared error. B. Adjusted R-square. C. Chi-square. D. Mallows CP. Which of the following is not a good decision-making indicator? A. The impact of uncertainty and new info when making decisions can be effectively assessed. B. Confidence of the participants in the decision analysis process is correct. C. Decisions are effective in addressing the underlying problem. Which of the following is a strategy for reducing technological risks? A. Restricting access through physical measures to IT equipment. B. Relocating a facility to an area with a more stable electrical distribution system. C. Installing a backup emergency generator. D. Using cloud computing for off-site storage. Regression models with redundant input variables may A. Improve parameter estimate stability and raise overfittings danger. B. Destabilize parameter estimations to reduce overfitting danger. C. Enhance parameter estimate stability and cut down on overfitting danger. When evaluating organizational readiness, which SH gives information on the expected impact to SH and the capabilities of the ent? A. Implementation SME. B. End user. C. Domain SME. D. Usability SME. Choose a name for the class that will be holding the invoice details. A. Invoicing section. B. Invoice number. C. Invoice. D. Record invoice details. Training, validation, and test data have been separated from the entire modeling data. Which data are most suitable for model evaluation? A. Test data. B. Training data. C. Total data. D. Validation data. Which one serves as a go-between for business users and system designers? A. TRS. B. FRD. C. SDD. D. SSD. You may check for nonlinearity in binary logistic regression by visualizing A. Odds ratio values plotted against a predictor variable in a box. B. An empirical logic trend plot against a predictor variable. C. A plot of projected probability values against a predictor variable using logistic regression. D. Binary response scatter plot versus predictor variable. The results of a feasibility analysis do not include any of the following, except A. An explanation of the approach that will be taken to supply the new set of capabilities. B. Overview of the strategy that will be used to implement a new set of capabilities. C. Description of the kind of delivered SOLN components. What steps would you take during requisition validation to evaluate each requisition or feature to make sure it adds value? A. Identify quantifiable evaluation standards. B. Determine dependencies for benefit realization. C. Identify assumptions. D. Determine bus value. What is a reasonable separation between training, validation, and testing data to undertake an honest evaluation of a predictive model? A. Training, 50% validation, 50% testing, 0%. B. Training, 100% validation, 0% testing, 0%. C. Training, 50% validation, 0% testing, 50%. D. Training, 0% validation, 100% testing, 0%. The key managerial initiative while introducing automation processes should be A. Selling and training staff. B. Purchasing the best hardware. C. Integrating IT process into the system. D. Working out all operational bugs. A business analyst's main goal is to assist organizations in implementing A. Business solutions. B. Technology solutions. C. Business systems. D. technology systems. Which statistic, when applied to a larger model, suggests a better model? A. Adjusted R-square. B. Mallow's CP. C. Average squared error. D. Chi-square. Select the one that best reflects the functional requirement. A. The system must comply with the Data Protection Act. B. The system must allow the user to amend customer details. C. The system must be password protected. D. The system must output all reports within 5 minutes. What is the logistic procedure's default approach to handling observations with incomplete data? A. Only instances with completely populated variables are employed. B. In order to accommodate for the missing values, parameters are estimated. C. All the data is used to estimate the parameters. D. Missing values are imputed. Which technology does Peter need to employ to construct a navigation flow? A. User stories. B. Prototype. C. Interface analysis. D. UC. Building a model that disproportionately overrepresents those cases with an event occurring, example. A 50-50 event non-event split is a typical strategy for forecasting uncommon events in the LOGISDA procedure. What issue does this bring up? A. Only the intercept estimate is biased. B. Only the non-intercept parameter estimates are biased. C. Sensitivity estimates are biased. D. All parameter estimates are biased. Which business certifications are most commonly required to work as a business analyst? A. Chartered Financial Analyst. B. Certified Professional Salesperson. C. Certified Global Business Professional. D. ATD Master Trainer. In which of the following BA tasks should the BA look for possibilities to improve the bus's operation? A. Chartered Financial Analyst. B. Org Recs. C. Specify and model recs. D. Confirm elicitation results. A traditional focus group differs from an online focus group is: A. Traditional focus group meets in the same physical room while online focus group participate via network connection. B. Traditional focus group is considered a form of qualitative research while an online focus group produce quantitative. C. There is no difference between a traditional focus group and an online focus group. Which of the following best defines a pair of observations that are incongruent in the logistic process? A. There is an equal chance that one observation will be associated with the occurrence as another. B. In comparison to an observation without the event, an observation with the event has a higher projected probability. C. In comparison to an observation without the event, an observation with the event has a lower anticipated probability. Which of the following is not a key business analyst skill? A. Business case development. B. Modeling techniques and methods. C. Career visualizing. D. Understanding of systems engineering concepts. By examining the correlation between which function of the input variables, Spearman statistics and the core technique are helpful for identifying unnecessary variables. A. Rank-ordered values of the variables. B. Concordant and discordant pairs of ranked observations. C. Weighted sum of chi-square statistics for 2x2 tables. D. Logit link. Every one of the following is necessary to get ready for requirements elicitation sessions except A. A strategy for the demands techniques for elicitation to be employed in the session. B. To let participants know what should be produced throughout the session, state the desired outcome. C. Session objectives so people know the purpose of the session.